and gentlemen, the 89ers are back. Come on, let's go! This song's for you, and that's no lie. You can't imagine how hard I really try to satisfy you every day. But all that you do is copying me. You're doing it like a killer bee. Hey, hey, it's alright. We have to stop while we're feeling fine. Oh, oh, you take my hand. 89ers is a punk.